Audio Jungle. News TV News. Most awaited Yamaha Track Day event in Chennai organized at Madras International Circuit. Chennai, March 2024. India Yamaha Motor Private Limited orchestrated a distinctive track day occasion for its customers at the renowned Madras International Circuit in Chennai on March 23-24, 2024. This event, a pivotal component of the dynamic. The Call of the Blue brand initiative is expected to see an enthusiastic turnover of 1,000 Yamaha enthusiasts, including 300 Yamaha owners from Chennai and its vicinity, marking a remarkable trump. The two-day track day event at Madras International Circuit, Chennai provided a Yamaha owners with a wonderful opportunity to experience the thrill of riding their own Yamaha motorcycles on a track. Participants got the chance to explore the dynamics of lean angles, high speed concerning precious braking and body movement, while also discovering the benefits of advanced features such as quick shifters and traction control systems. The Call of Blue Day Yamaha activity with a wider audience across in India and promote the updated 2024 lineup existing stylish and sporty two-wheeler range comprising of YZF R3 321cc, MT-03 321cc, YZF R15 V4 155cc, YZF R15M 155cc, YZF R115S 155cc, MT15 version 2.0 155cc, FZ SFI version 4.0 149cc, FZ SFI version 3.0 149cc, FZ FI version 3.0 149cc, FZX 149cc and scooters like Aerox 155cc, Fascino 125 FI Hybrid 125cc, Ray ZR 125 FI Hybrid 125cc, Ray ZR Straight.